Hey guys, I'm Kristen with IcyStarsQuilting.com. I have a special announcement that I want to share with you today. I'm really excited. This is going to be a quick video, so stay tuned for just a couple things that I want to share with you. There's something on my screen. Cool! I think I found a Christmas filter. Guess what? And you're going to love this. So, here is the story. I've gotten together with a bunch of other YouTubers, okay? We've all created something amazing and I can't wait to share it with you. But I made a promise that I wouldn't squeal, okay? I made a promise I wouldn't squeal and I'm not gonna squeal. So that's it. I'm not squealing. I'm not telling anything. But if you want to see how this ugly Quiltmas comes together, make sure you stay tuned and watch for my video to come out on December 3rd, okay? On December 3rd at 6:30 p.m., I'm going to release my video and show you how this, how can I say this, disaster of a quilt came together and whether or not I was actually successful in making a fun Christmas quilt. I can't wait to show you the results. I'll talk to you soon. Love you. Bye.